Hello smart people, Miss H here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through today's lesson, which is Monday, January 29, 2024. This video is for 8th grade students. Today we're going to go over Quizzette Day 1. Ms. Barker, you will have 5 minutes to work on Quizzette Day 2, and Ms. Barker will choose some of you to go to the board to do the problem. After that, you will work on the Delta Math Unit 5 Quiz 1. There's going to be 3 questions on your quiz, which is about graphing system linear equation. If you did your homework, the quiz should be easy. Alright, and then if you have extra time, you're going to do iReady topics. Okay. Alright, good. Write your name on the Quizzette. I'm going to walk you through the Quizzette number 1. Problem 1, solve the system by substitution. Substitution means replace. Okay, replacing something. So if you look at the equation, they tell you y equal to 6 and x plus y equal to 4. So they did give you the answer for the y equal to 6, so we're going to plug it in. Instead of x plus y, we already know y is 6, so that will be x plus 6 equal to 4. So the step that you replace y by 6 is called substitution. Okay. Alright, continue solving for x. You're going to subtract 6 to both sides. So x equal to negative 2. Okay. Normally, after you get x equal to negative 2, you're going to plug this back into either first equation or second equation. For this time, we don't have to, because you already know your y value is 6. Your x value is negative 2. Y value is 6, x value is negative 2. All you have to is to put them in x and y order pair. The x value is negative 2. The y value is 6. And that's it. Number 1, done. Number 2, we're going to graph 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So first of all, this is not in the right form. It's not the slope-intercept form. Y equal to mx plus b. You need to isolate the y. Okay. So first, we're going to move 2x. Okay. 3y equal to negative 2x plus 6. And then to get rid of 3 in front of y, you're going to divide by 3 to both sides. So y equal to negative 2/3 x plus, right, negative 2/3 x plus 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Now we can tell that slope is negative 2 over 3, and your b is 2. So y-intercept, or the beginning at 2, negative 2 over 3 means that you go down 2 and run 3. 1, 2, run 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And you can also do the pattern in the reverse. So you will go up 2. Instead of go to the right, you go to the left 3. You do the reverse. So that will help to guide your line more straight, because you know what point is supposed to go through. Alright, that's it for number 2. Number 3. So as you see, that number 3 is similar like number 1. So all we have to do is graph it. So we solve the same problem with graphing and substitution. So right now, let's do graphing. I need to remind you on this one, this line, the vertical line, the line going up and down, is the y-axis. The horizontal line is the x-axis. Okay, so y equal to 6. That is the line go through the point y is 6, but didn't touch the x-axis. Okay, this line right here is y equal to 6. Then we're going to graph the second equation, x plus y equal to 4. It's similar problem like we did earlier. Since y is not by itself, you need to solve for y. Y equal to negative x plus 4. Then we can tell the slope is negative 1 over 1, and the y-intercept is 4. We're going to begin at 4. Down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Or we can do the reverse, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Okay. And then we draw the line, go through them. We will have thing like this. So the intersection or the solution of the system is right here, which is negative 2 comma 6. Negative 2 comma 6, negative 2 comma 6. So as you see that we have the same solution, and yes, it's supposed to be the same solution because the same problem, you just solve them by two different methods, graphing and solve it algebraically. Alright, number 4. You should know how to do number 4. If you know how to do it, pause the video, try it out. Okay. M and B. Slope is number in front of x, which is 1 over 1. Your y-intercept is 2. So we begin at 2. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Or you can do the reverse. Down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1. Alright. Okay. Then we're going to graph the second equation. M is negative 4, B is 2. Found the second equation. Negative 4 over 1. We will begin at 2. Down 4 over 1. Down 4 over 1. Or you can do the reverse, up 4 over 1. Then we draw the line, go through them. Okay. Two lines intersect each other at this point, which is the 0, comma 2. Okay. 0 on x and 2 is on y. Alright, that's pretty much it for today. Please spend 5 minutes to do your Quizzette Day 2, and Miss Barker going to choose. Some of you go to the board to do the problem. Okay, alright, see you all tomorrow.